So, if you saw my upload yesterday, you may have noticed that it may have been a little long. I got really distracted by all of the settings and I decided to just do a full deep dive on all the settings and how to update your profile, how to, do a bunch of things in a server. And I realized that I kind of got away from the original purpose, which was to just show a few people who have never used Discord before how to get in and out of channels and check their DMs. So today's video is going to be extremely brief. I'm going to show it on mobile and then on desktop, how to go ahead and check your DMs and enter and exit voice channels on Discord. Alright, so once you're in Discord, you can go ahead and click the little hamburger button in the top left-hand corner. It'll bring up your little sidebar menu. If you want to get to your DMs, you would go ahead and click that little chat icon on the top left. You'll see all your DMs here. If you want to do a call within a DM, you can go ahead and click the little phone icon in the top right-hand corner there. If you click the video camera icon, that'll start a video call. And if you click the people, you can go ahead and add other people to the conversation and create a group chat. Now, if you want to group up servers to help clean up a mess like I have, you can go ahead and click on a server, hold onto it with your finger, and move it onto another server. Now, if you want to get that out of the folder, you just hold onto it and you move it above the folder. It'll get rid of it. And you can get rid of the folder by doing so with the last server in that folder as well. Now, if you want to go ahead and join a voice call, now within a server, there are 3 different types of channels. There are text channels, which have the hashtag, like the rules here. There are announcement channels, which have that little horn icon, and those are usually announcements from the server that you can actually follow on your own server, and they'll basically be like a subscription or like a follow thing where you can get all of the updates in your own server as well. And then finally, there is the voice channel. So if you want to join a voice channel, you just go ahead and tap on it and you can click join voice. Now, as you can see, I am in the voice channel and you can see the green little circle around my face means I'm talking. Now, if we go to the bottom left-hand corner here, you can see the video call icon. If you tap that, you'll start a video feed within the server. You can also do the deafen, which is the headphones here. That mutes all incoming audio as well as your microphone. If you hit the microphone, it'll just mute your microphone. And then if you hit this little speaker, you can choose which device your audio is going to be played through. So other people's voices in the channel. And you can choose, your Bluetooth earbuds if you have them connected, or the speaker on the phone, or if you have multiple Bluetooth devices, you can choose which one. Now, if you were to go to your home page on your phone, on Android, you'll see that there is a Discord icon in the top left-hand corner. On iPhone, the clock will have like a red background to it. Now, on Android, if you pull down, you'll see that we're in the Discord and you can tap it to return. On iPhone, you just go ahead and tap on the clock. Now, to pull up the voice channel settings again, you can either tap the green bar at the top here that says that we're connected, or you can go ahead and tap on the channel itself and it'll do the same. Now to leave, you just go ahead and tap the little red phone, bottom right hand corner, and we are now out of the voice channel and you can see there's no more green bar, so you know that you're not talking. And that's pretty much it. Very easy, very simple, and I hope you guys found it helpful. Alright, so on the desktop version, big difference here is that you get a kind of homepage with all of your friends. Shows all your friends, what they're doing, if they're idle, any of their statuses, and what have you. Again, here will be all your direct messages. So if you're inside of a server and you want to go back to direct messages, you just click the home and you'll see them all here. Now you can group servers together by holding them and dragging them onto another one. And then you can take them out by holding them and dragging them out and then dragging them out again. Really good way to organize because you can see I'm in quite a few. So that makes it a lot easier. So there are 3 types of channels. There are the hashtag ones, which are text channels. They're the ones that have this little horn here. That is an announcement channel. You can subscribe to them in other servers and stuff. It's really unique, really cool. And then the ones with the speakers are voice channels. So to join one, you just go ahead and click it. Now, while you're in a voice channel, you can mute yourself. which just mutes your microphone. You can deafen yourself, which mutes your microphone and any incoming audio, so you won't hear anybody else on the channel. And then to leave, you just go ahead and click the disconnect button. And that's it. Very straightforward, very easy. Well, I hope that was brief and helpful enough. If you did appreciate the video, please consider liking and subscribing. Really helps me out. We got lots of other videos on tech, gaming tech, streaming stuff, all that fun. Well, and that was the video. I hope it was brief. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. I put out as much tech content as I can. If you have any suggestions for videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below or ask any questions you have. You can also go ahead and join my Discord server. We have tons of people in there. They'd love to help you. If you want to have any kind of discussions in there, I'm more than happy to have those there. And also, I stream on Twitch from Friday until Tuesday around 7:30 Eastern. If you want to come out, say hello, say hello to all my friends that hang out and we always play games together. I'd love to see you there. And I'll see you guys next Friday with hopefully a not 40-minute long video.